Khan's upcoming movie, Lak Lag Gai, is a captivating Urdu-language thriller directed by Zulfikar Ali. Set against the vibrant backdrop of London, the film weaves a complex narrative exploring suspense, drama, and the intricate connections between its characters. With unexpected plot twists and high emotional stakes, it promises to keep audiences on the edge of their seats. The film stars Feroz Khan alongside Indian actress Geethika Tiwari, marking a notable cross-border collaboration. Veteran actor Jawed Sheikh also plays a pivotal role, further elevating the star-studded cast. This international project, blending talent from Pakistan and India, adds depth to its storytelling and has already generated significant buzz within the entertainment industry. Lak Lag Gai is poised to be a highlight of Bollywood's 2024 releases, offering viewers an engaging cinematic experience.